There's 3 levels of scaling your law firm's leads so that everything you spend on marketing works. The lowest level need on Maslow's hierarchy of needs is your survival needs. The mid-level is relational needs, and the highest level is your fulfillment needs, also known as self-transcendence. In marketing, there's 4 survival level needs. There's web, SEO, PPC, and tech. Okay? Most lawyers don't scale their law firms because they're trying to master the survival needs. They're trying to learn too much about the technical crap that every 9-figure law firm owner I've ever interviewed, they don't know anything about this stuff. They're focused on their next acquisition, their next huge awareness campaign, right? So the second level, the relational needs, is brand and strategy, right? So as soon as you rise above spending your time on these survival tasks, which you don't want to spend your time on, right? You're then able to focus on branding and strategy, okay? How do I want my SEO strategy to be? What keywords do I want to select for my PPC campaigns? How do I want my website to reflect my brand? How do I want all of this to tie together to produce the leads that I need? That's strategy, 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 strategy. You don't do this, though. And you definitely can't afford a 15-person in-house marketing team who's an SEO expert, a PPC expert, a Google Ads expert, a da-da-da expert, a Facebook Ads expert. You can't hire that many experts. So the goal is for all of us to go to what we call omnipresence, right? This is where all the most successful law firms have gotten to. It's where they're inescapable in their market for their niche, by the way. So all the most successful law firms, they've learned how to graduate from here and spend time up here, right? So we say outsource what? Who wants to unmute and let me know what I'm about to say? And embrace what? Who wants to unmute and tell me what I'm about to say?
Incremental and exponential.
Okay. Outsource incremental. Got it. Embrace exponential. Okay. So you got to outsource the incremental tasks. Get away from this stuff. Stop trying to learn the next code for some little detailed thing in your marketing. Stop trying to learn how to manage the interface of crap that you should not be focused on. There's an opportunity cost to spending time in the incremental. And embrace the exponential. Okay? Embrace the exponential. Focus on brand and strategy and omnipresence. Transition from a reactive to a what?
Proactive.
Okay, it's the first chapter of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Okay? Proactivity. Transition from a reactive marketing plan to a proactive marketing plan. Get this stuff off the plate.